Okay guys, welcome back in today's video. Oh my gosh, what is that? Anyways, so you probably heard of Starbucks like every teenage girl has, but that means Starbucks. So we're going to be, and you probably heard of pink drinks or strawberry iced, or however you have to say that. So we're going to be making one of those today. So it's not actually the real ingredients, but it's going to be today. So first, you will need a cup. It could be any cup, a clear cup. You need some, actually let's save the drink for later, but you'll need some paper. Okay guys, so we're on the way to my bedroom. So it takes like long. I have like this thing in my door. Don't ask that I have a cross. I got these things when I was a baby. I don't really know if you could see it. Oh my gosh, why am I going in my closet? I'm off task today. And also, don't ask why I'm watching this. It's just randomly playing on my TV. Okay. So, I just got a random book. Oh my gosh. If that was what I thought it was, I'm glad I didn't say that, but anyways, you could just rip it up or cut it. It needs to be at least this big. And then you also need a marker. Let's put it a pink marker, but if you don't have it, just get a working like black or gray marker. See you in the kitchen. Okay, we're in the kitchen. So we'll need these two things. And make sure it will fit in the cup. You can lift it a little bit so it fits. Oh my gosh. This cup is like so small. I just got it out of my pantry. Or wherever we keep the cups. You could keep these or you could throw them away. And also, if you see me looking back, it's at my dog or at something in the camera. And then you will need to take this, and you'll also need tape, so you could like get some tape too. Or if you want to glue the cup, that's fine. I don't know if it's just a plastic cup to throw away, you could, but yeah, I do have plastic cups, but we reuse them. So I should have thought about that earlier. Do I actually have any more tape? Guys, are you waiting for your man? No. Wait, maybe in here? Oh, yes. Found a tape. You could take the whole thing, or you could just take a little piece off and then bring it to wherever you're like doing it at. I'm doing it in the kitchen, but yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now take our marker and write whatever order you're doing it. You could do like the pink ice, the idea or whatever it's called, or you could just do pink drink and no strawberries, because like we don't have any strawberries obviously, so. Okay. Okay, I wrote it. Pink drink, no strawberries, light ice. I can't really spell, but yeah. And also now take a piece of tape. It could be 2 for each side, just the little one. You could put it in the middle for 1 or 2 on each side. And then make sure you could take it off too. So now you are going to like put the marker aside, and then you could just put this like on the counter or something. Get your pink drink or whatever. It has to be pink lemonade. It could be, or it could be like or it could be how you make the real pink drink. Just make it and then, but don't add any ice. You could add strawberries if you want. Oh, shoot, I forgot to shake. Okay, now we good. That was so funny. And also, oh, I thought somebody was coming. Should that be enough? No, a little bit more. I'm doing a small, I guess. Wait. And also add the size you are doing.
What are you doing?
Hold on. POV when you're somebody just creep around the corner. Hold on. Let me just see. This is for my grandma. Hold on. Let me bring this to her. Okay. So now that we have it, put the lid on. Put the straw in. Maybe you should shake it again. Make sure it doesn't. Whoopsie. What? Okay, take the cap off if you already put it on. Doesn't want this mistake. And then you won't see me do this because I have nowhere to set my phone. But yeah, so get crushed ice and then okay, so now that I got crushed ice, what taste this? You're going to shake it up. Okay, and then you're going to put the lid back on. Maybe I should move my phone again, but you put the crushed ice on, and then put the straw in. Oh my gosh. And you put the straw in, and then write what size it is at the bottom. And then, okay, now that you put it on, I think it's backwards because you can't really see it on the thing. But now your pink drink is ready. Let's do a taste test. Doesn't taste like the real pink drink because I didn't really put cold foam or I think there's actually a cold foam in there, but it's fine. And then like strawberries. But if you want to add those two ingredients, you could. It tastes really good. Well, hope you liked today's video and make sure to subscribe. In 3, 2, 1.